All right, good morning here for a Thursday of our third week of summer school. At the end of today's session, you will be 75% of the way through. So this is good news. So obviously you see I am not here today. We have someone else minding the shop, but today is going to be a fairly simple day. What I want everyone to do is to either make sure you have caught up 100% with the activities in Khan Academy, and I can make sure that login information is here if anyone's having trouble getting in. Make sure that you are up to the end of Unit 4. So everything between Unit 1 and 4 inclusively. All right. Now, if you have finished everything in Unit 4, we are skipping Unit 5 and we're going to go on to Unit 6 next week. I would rather you not go ahead unless you're really confident about probability. If and when you are all caught up, you can work on this scatterplot activity that I have printed that you'll see here at the front of the room. The way the basic thing works here is you're going to get some practice creating and analyzing scatterplots with these 6 real-world projects. Okay, so there's some baseball statistics, football statistics, basketball statistics, I think some Kentucky Derby statistics, and something else here that doesn't immediately come to mind. But what you are going to do is you are going to take the data that's in whichever table you select, right? And I believe this one is 3-point field goals per game, so this is the basketball. And you're going to take the data from the table. This is the average across the NBA for 3-point field goals per game. So in 2019, it was 12.1. So you'll go over to 2019. And since we're only labeling the even numbered years, you go to 2000, and it was what, 12.1 in 2019, so just a hair above 12, and put a dot. And you'll do that for each of the years. Obviously, you'll be going in order, and I believe the table starts in 2019 and works its way backwards through time. Yeah, 2019 all the way back to 1979. So you will take the data from the tables, enter it into the scatter plot, right, by using the year and the number to enter all the data. And then, I don't think I copied that on, but under the graph, there's an area for analysis. So what I want you to do is describe the scatter plot, describe the data. Is it linear? Is it nonlinear? Is there a positive correlation? Is there a negative correlation? Right? Does one variable increase as the other decreases? Are there any outliers? Okay? And how could you use this scatter plot to make some predictions? Is there a trend that you see? Right? Does it seem like the number of 3-pointers per game is going up over time, so that you could say, well, in 2025, every player should be making about 17 or 18 free throws or 3-pointers per game? Okay, so take the data from the table, put it into the scatter plot, and tell me what information you can glean from that data. Okay? And that should take you up to the end of the period, up to the end of the week, and then I will see you all bright and early Monday. All right? Have a great weekend.